You surely have heard about the incredible health benefits of lemon. On our channel, lemon is always present in the recipes and listed as a natural medicine in many different treatments. And this is what we are going to see in today's video. Did you know you can make a tea using lemon peel? Lemon has a series of beneficial substances, such as vitamin C, potassium, and folic acid. But not everybody knows that the peel is one of the main sources of nutrients and ends up being thrown away. Did you know that lemon peel contains elements that control anxiety and lower the risk of cancer? This is all thanks to limonene. Limonene has a soothing effect, which improves the sensation of calm and comfort. It is a great ally for people suffering from anxiety. Besides, lemon peel tea is good for reduce liver fat. The limonene found in the peel also prevents the buildup of fat in the liver. Did you know that? It helps metabolize the enzymes and minerals, helping reduce inflammation and decongesting the organ. Eliminates gas. If you have flatulence and bloating, lemon peel tea can help you with that. All you need to do is drink a cup of this tea and it will immediately take care of your bloating. Contributes to heart health. Lemon peel contains polyphenols and flavonoids that aid in lowering bad cholesterol levels, which helps maintain heart health. Besides, potassium, also found in the peel, helps maintain the blood pressure levels stable. Vitamin C avoids the clogging of blood vessels, which lowers the risk of cardiac diseases and strokes. Besides these benefits, it also aids the stomach digestion, reduces bad breath caused by poor digestion, detoxifies the body, prevents water retention, contributes to a good metabolism, improves the immune system, prevents colds and the flu, among other benefits. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. See how to make lemon peel tea to get all these benefits. You can't let the lemon peel boil. After pre-boiling the water, in between warm and hot, but not simmering yet, add the lemon peels in a different pot and let it infuse for 3 minutes. It's ready. You can drink it. It is important to highlight that since we are using lemon peels to make a beverage, you should opt for organic and high-quality lemons. If you suffer from gastrointestinal irritations, this tea isn't recommended for you as it may cause pain. If you make this tea, come back here and share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.